Good morning. Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'd like to talk about getting an education on building an online business around affiliate marketing and reviewing my favorite products and services that'll help you do that. So if you're interested in learning how to make money online, make sure you smash the subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a video. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to get content ideas, how to get an endless supply of content ideas, how to get an endless supply of content ideas on YouTube for affiliate marketing, and how to get them ranked better. So I'm going to show you a tool I use to come up with these ideas and how to get them closer to ranking in the search engine for YouTube so people actually find them and there's less competition. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the tool I'm using and how I'm using it, and then I'll show you how to come up with a million ideas. But if you're interested in following along, make sure you stick to the end because I'm going to show you how you could start your own affiliate marketing business. Watch. All right, so right here, I'm using TubeBuddy. You may have heard of it, you may have not heard of it. We're going to go to this little feature here. This is a free and paid program. I use the Pro right now, which is I think $50 for the year. Could be a little bit more, but I think it's worth it. You will too once you see this. Okay, there's a keyword tool here. How to, let's see, come up with so how to come up with content ideas. All right, so this is going to auto-populate things that people are always searching. And it's going to give you this little search bar and a ranking. Now this is weighted. I use the paid program. There's the free program. You can find everything in the description below. The free program is just going to give you how it ranks with the keyword in itself, how many people are looking for it. But if you do it weighted, it'll say how it's weighted with your content and how likely you are on your channel to rank for it personally. So there's a couple things you want to see. There's the search volume, your search volume, competition, optimization, strength. But these are the things that I'm looking for here. Number of videos in search results, 6.81 million. So that's a lot of competition. When you go back up here and click results, you can see that these highlighted spots are keywords that are actually in the results or that are in the description and in the title. And you can see that there's an exact match for top 5 for 5 of those results at a 6.8 million. So not necessarily the best keyword to go for, so we're going to tweak it. I'm going to come up with, let's see, content ideas for YouTube. So it's 6.81 million. Now when I change that word, whoa, 62 million. It actually goes way higher when we do YouTube. Come up with, let's see here, in the results though, there's no exact matches here. But again, you can see some similar people pop up. How to come up with content ideas. All right. Now let's tweak it a little bit more. Oh wait, to come up with, let's see, endless content ideas. And that goes, by tweaking that one word, it shoots up through the roof. Our search engine, our search volume goes higher. Our competition goes way open. Optimization strength goes way up, but the amount of videos in the search went from, the last one was 60-something million down to 1.7 million. That's still a lot. There's a lot of videos you got to compete with, and you want to cut that down. So again, no one here in the exact search results. this guy here, Justin Brant, owns a few of the top spots. A lot of these guys are really big channels. So it's still hard to compete with these guys because they have so much content coming in and views coming in that if you rank for this the first day, you're likely to be kicked out by the end of the day. So, let me just put that space back there. All right, so we're going to break that down a little bit more, even though it is a really good keyword. So we'll probably use it as a tag. I did this one last one, YouTube, for YouTube affiliate. This is what we do on this channel. YouTube affiliate marketing. Search. Now it goes down to good, but here's the thing I'm looking at. All right, the search volume goes down. The competition, there isn't any, and it goes down to only 11,500 videos for optimization strength. So we just cut millions off of that search. There's no one in the top results here. Affiliate marketing YouTube, but no one. How to come up with endless ideas, only one. So we eliminated a title, all the titles that we want to use. We're going to use this one here, but I want to show you how you get the next step on how to come up with ideas for this, rather than just trial and error like that approach. You want to go to open a new window, answerthepublic.com. Now, whatever your niche is, you become an affiliate with this. I think I will. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Let's see. What are you targeting? Let's say you're doing YouTube content. Good question. So this is going to ask you questions it's going to search questions around your keyword that are all over the internet that people have been asking. You can augment this on search volume too if you use keywords everywhere. I'm not using that for this example. But right here, it's going to say YouTube content, who, which, can, will, right here. Oop, go back. And you just click on them, it'll show up in the search engine. So, can YouTube content be downloaded? Can I restrict content? Can you limit YouTube content? Let's see, what YouTube content should I make? Keep going. What types of YouTube content? You keep going from there. It starts with 64 questions. Then preposition, is YouTube content copyrighted? Let's see, YouTube content for beginners, YouTube content for couples. Keeps going on and on and on from just that one search you did. YouTube like content, YouTube content for creators, and then if you go all the way down, it goes to alphabetical order. Everything that is attached to this YouTube content filter. And you could take any one of these and just put them in that search on TubeBuddy and just add words and just turn it into a good title. You know, let's see, YouTube content keys, and it just goes on and on and on all the way through the alphabet. And again, you could just take any one of these, like YouTube content quiz, and turn it into a new title. Copy, go up to here to Google, and just start playing around. YouTube content quiz, how to grow a business fast, and just add onto it. Take that one keyword and just grow it out to something that's a bit more catchy. See what pops up. Oh, Sean Cannell. Some of the videos that you see. You get good at using some of these keywords and tools some of these will actually show up in Google. It's a perfect example right there. Think Media popped right up in Google, not just on YouTube. So by using these techniques, not only will you have a chance to rank higher on YouTube with your affiliate marketing videos, you could rank on Google. And you're also lowering the competition, so it's less likely for you to actually be bumped out of that spot and actually have a highly targeted audience that's flowing to your videos and content. So if you like today's content, make sure you show that by smashing the like button. And if you're willing and ready to get started building an online business or monetizing your YouTube channel, even though you don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can actually do it using affiliate marketing. If you want to get started on doing it the right way, learn how to retarget and build your business correctly, I will leave my #1 recommendation for growing a full-time income online down in the description below. It will be the first link. Check that out. It's a 15-day online business builder challenge. It is my affiliate link. I make a small commission at no additional charge to you. It's only $7 to get started. 15 days, you're going to learn about copywriting, about building a sales funnel, building an email list, high income skills that you need to develop, and you're going to get hands-on training to get you started today in that link. Make sure you subscribe. Tune in to the next video.